Hey, so if Google Gemini is not generating answers, like it's stuck, blank, or failing to respond, yeah, don't worry. This is a common issue and usually easy to fix. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix Google Gemini not generating answers in 2026. First thing, check your internet. A slow or unstable connection can stop responses from loading. Next, refresh the page. So, this reloads Gemini and fixes temporary glitches. All right, try rephrasing your prompt. Unclear or very complex prompts may fail to generate answers. Now start a new chat. Sometimes a specific conversation gets stuck. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. So, this removes corrupted data causing issues. All right, disable browser extensions. Ad blockers or plugins can interfere with responses. And yeah, try another browser or device. This helps confirm if the issue is platform related. So that's how you fix Google Gemini not generating answers. Once fixed, it should respond normally again.